Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 13 of our MedCalc statistical series of Statistics Bio 7. In this video, we will learn how to create a scatter diagram using MedCalc software. The scatter plot are a powerful way to visualize the relationship between the two quantitative variables. The data already loaded in the MedCalc software workspace. We take the 25 patient, the different male and female patient, the different age category, and the BMI and the systolic blood pressure the data taken. The total number of the patient ID 25. Now, how to create a scatter diagram in MedCalc software? Go to the top menu, select for the statistics option and correlation selected for the scatter diagram. Then open the new tab for the scatter diagram. The first one options the selected for the dependent variable in Y. The systolic blood pressure selected for the dependent variable. And another one for the variable X is a independent variable selected for the BMI, body mass index. And the filter options, the only for the optional. If you want the created the particularly the only for the example the general male only wanted to the created a scatter plot, selected to the filter options. Example, the selected the gender is equal to double oppositor male, the closed double oppositor. So the male patient data only the created for the scatter diagram. So click to the OK button. So the male patient the only for the created in the scatter diagram. Now the same method created for the scatter diagram, then selected for the Y variable in the systolic blood pressure and X variable for the BMI. Then filter is optional. Next, the right side of the scatter plot the options, the logarithmic transformations Y and X. Your data is shaped or cover several orders of the magnitude in the data selected for the two options logarithmic the transformation Y and X, unless then do not click for the checkbox, and the line of equality. So the useful of the line of equality, the comparison to the two method or measurement of the agreement in your variables. And the next one options for the heat map, the large data set. Example, the number of the patient the 100 above in analyzed over the data the selected for the heat map options, unless the don't click for the heat map. This is for the visualization options, the clear the cluster and overlapping for our data set. So the 100 above your patient data then use for the heat map options. The next one for the subgroup. The each subgroup will be the displayed using the different color or the simple options. Then used for the filter and want the subgroup selected to the this options. So the next one for the trend line options. So the first one for the moving average trend line, the windows with number 5. The smooth the data using or moving the average method. The window with n, the number of the data point used to calculate the moving to the average. So the next one for the loose smoothing the spend 50%. So the flexible method for the filtering a non-linear trend line. The span percentage, how much the line should be the higher percentage of smoother line. Example, in our data set selected for the 50 to 80, your choice. And the next one for the reduce the major axis line. It also called geometric mean regression, suitable when the both x and y have a error. The example for the method to the comparisons. And another one, the isotonic regression curve, the fit a monotonic increase or decrease curve to the in your data. So selected for the isotonic regression curve. But now our data the suitable for the loose smoothing, the span 50%, and the no selected for the logarithmic transformation yx, the line of equality, and the heat map also. So the click to the OK button, the created for the scatter diagram, then the right click for our the hind grind line, and selected for the simple in the right color format marker, change to the format color the black, and style change and color also change. So change to the black color, then smooth line selected for the format trend line, then width increased, then OK, change to the color red. Okay, then also the font of the scatter diagram, the time Roman already selected, and the font size is 17. So this is for the creating method for the scatter diagram in the MedCalc software. The any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box, I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.